All right, Dr. Merrill here in the Coats lab, going to tell you how to clean a custom rechargeable device. It is very simple to do. You will get a cleaning kit at the beginning of your appointment when you get your hearing aids. I will go over what's in the bag. So first, you will have some alcohol pads, a microfiber cloth similar to what you'd use to clean glasses, and then a brush. So you will take the custom device, and all you really want to do is take the microfiber cloth and wipe the tip that goes into your ear, just like this. You can also use the brush to wipe it as well. And then on this side, you're going to have these little holes that are your microphone ports. You can wipe those as well. If they get filled with debris or wax, you won't be able to hear as well. So you want to make sure those are really clear. You can also use the other end of the brush. There's a little pick that you can make sure that there's no wax in any of these holes. You're also able, if you want to use the charger, if you need to wipe away any debris that's on the charger to help with the contacts, you can do so as well. You do have this alcohol prep pad just in case you have some sticky debris or wax that's on the base of the canal that goes into your ear, so that it's a little bit cleaner and a little bit smoother for you. And that pretty much sums up how you clean a custom device.